Okay.
Legend
Fabio Grosso.
Eti bechem for no where ni mu say legend on betimi ni akwawie.
Okay.
And Haas nso abawuram.
Haas.
Yes. Haas abawuram.
Abawuram.
Ai.
Mate.
Say omunya
omope.
Akwa omope.
Okay.
Yenim de besi ebi enu tira no na team for nso abawuram.
Mate.
Legend. Legend.
Fabio.
En ka bechem for de omukọ manim kakra.
Woni omni akwa no.
Ba Haas de na ba ye no. Ebemba nkomo no aye yi kakra. So them TSA they say no atuska agama yi a na ohempon yi.
Okay.
You agama yi ska no to a no ohempon so yi biato. So them just say nti ebe who is who?
Okay.
You agama any Togo afede. Ohempon. Who is who?
Mate.
So who carry the money?
Mate. We live to see.
Legend. Legend.
Fabio Grosso.
After yambra fi ni fi nkomo na bi anya kama. Legend
Fabio Grosso
kwa mpoku de ande menko ho ze ye hu adwuma enti but me no kasai kwa me o yekotokopulia until say bibia be done still order so yekotokopulia. Okay, so legend make okọ yimu a but umtreni outi ene kotoko awie. Okay, outi ene kotoko awie. Uza legend Saturday no na ye ka ye di nkomo sa ade o ma be di ye di nkomo ma be ka cho sa outi say no on na yi Saturday training na tinkla am friend say omuntimi ni nto aso bi. Okay, nti no legend
Fabio
asembia abofo de banana se
ya ye ready ya twen
uni se be pomple bia e wo se tinkla eni menzo ye baako. No communicate my plan say yentimi no nya adwuma biem. Okay, ti omunya ka tira odi ara say Benjamin Tum ti eniye keeper no
aisem
na konya o madwe say o mo pam no. Okay, odoa na nante course secretariat and was think ko akope loan move. Okay, because o did ye say there is so adakoja ati no nya bi na ti ko hwe say obetimi akolon no asan babaka. Okay, and empanifo say okura de aye no yentwam. Oh, okay. Nti okọ se na akutuni menzo wo. Okay. Nti na se chale loan de enye ya adwin se do be kolon. Ti yentwam. Leja de be kan ti ase. Nti ka bi kwa hotena fi a.
Anka ne nyina ma.
Kama.
Okay.
Legend
Fabio Grosso.
Unu se ade a abofo de ba enwonwo pa ne se. Obi a wakwa da kwaje ati bia ni se. Tinkla ye the first a year. Ana se oyi number 3 ne panka Francis akwane bebo.
Oyi number 3 na. Ayin. On what basis?
Oba ye no akwano emodembo training e wosoro. Okay. Otake. Leje de me kan ti ase. Asema mi kan obia wa okwada koja ati bia na wa hekotko preseason bia be di hu adanse. Okay. Ebi so na akoye adanko dada adwe. Aha. Be hunu se bi foforo aba. Ma menyere me ho. Saturday and previous legend. Say no be training ye dey. Enye previous yasem. Bia bibia asegu. Ni nyina kan da bi. Tie Fabio. You can never rule out some things. Say order that no. Who put you up a lakadasika attitude. Na enne who se coach fraba. Eninti ubetum ni kama emoja ba kra. Me kra me to wa me nyuni because order that obayanka ye ma ye. We shouldn't rule out that thing. Yeah, sa report I must say that no. Fabio, mama my ruling out to say enya adwuma wo. Eye adwuma papa. It is na work to no. Dada no, you can say club training. Na oye kokwasa, uyi nsema no, uye discipline. Oye wadwen say menzo ni eye abenti afedie. Una be kura Holy Bible ni Quran. Master, I am telling you, obwa. It is the place shouldn't rule that out. Adebia oye last season bia no. Edewanim to aso enti legend Fabio say there new king new law they make what here enti legend Fabio even players no cry no eyom nwa say unse enka the communicators will come from Tinkler and Menzo. He say if you want ever administrative manager and friend no unse ade ne call ne ba Saturday. Okay, other friend Francis Akwa
and o ka say kire no
say omra office
okay
legend dey make am tell we say e ka bia you training mu asem a and ka menzo be communicate the one we training
okay
dey make am tell say e bia Saturday no kwa ansa na wo free why dey
okay
akọ
okay
say dey make am tell say eti legend dey kwasi was secretariat one make tell we
okay
omu be a contract ni administrative manager say say a contract him say obo more minutes
okay
but o season no ni minute ni wo form
okay
in that case so mucho
okay
legend make out legend so akoye say no as a boy no so pen komo na e ba na as a boy na so na ekoye wa bra tinkla no o won the plans him
how would somebody know say or tinkla plans because ye ubetima training
the above for the ban news
I mean
said the last time the catcher was say Joseph Amwa ya convert no to center back and I'm say position be 2-2-2
obi aka
legend make out say and na coach bia so coach training legend say o tell the team no mienu a now you smart how be hu de ekọ
de okay bia me tia
say they make out say so ekoya say who say ayo bia nwanwa
so ba asem na administrative manager e ka kire akwa no menzu ene tinkra ho na ya awe
uni say enu an so no na menzu ne Sunday now o call office one na menzu ne administrative manager na to ba o say twi no menzu so nte say they make out say ene do ba bi so a e bia me na me ko twam contract me express me hu yi
so we shouldn't also rule one thing out. Akoto can never take any decision without recourse to Menzo and a tinker. What important I say? Akoto.
In that case, you know, there's a more refer Tinkler and Menzo refer last season minute now when you.
Possible because me can say, Uber can say matches about last season you know. Tinkler and Menzo
and we say last season you know matter. But where the say contract him say where you more minutes the American
and I say ansa na yebeka asema kire obi no enye kwa it is that one o refer to the contract say one team am so so minister team no next umobiem ene ya one kasa the news ba say on betcha video clips of last season
some video ndi wa hwe
o hwe woni me wa
yes onim say oh yes say matches ni bi o ball Lagos cities
ya bo ba tete matches am go to am matches no
o say
matches are obama kwa
na say entry matches no boy
nti na ntwa say my
anti enya hokra
so let's make do with Aqua entry assemba you address it the way we are addressing it now. So my point is that my argument is that one player name wanya more playing time.
Yes,
it is our contract in my and one kasa we no what I say and I said about two say Broni ne enya daja hwe match si nyina
a match in the so hwe
on no it won't tell when I say any more playing time no udi agra me be yo unsane consistency ma be yo into factors there be have TK kase in coaches no in selecting players no almost factors be sana man na be Aqua
David legend ya start here enu nu sa factors no kula
order transfer you David
enti sana nkomo no
okay
Aqua ne we mu nkomo no Aqua
okay
the make out for now Kotoko nya release Aqua
okay
the make out here oh yes
okay
two parties ni na atiasi aka no marketing TV
is it Aqua wa free clubhouse
oh yes it's no more
okay
clubhouse
Matiasi okay
legend
Fabio Grosso
unsa badu de makana asem
hit
no titi na hit ya pawne hit ya nam se de bi munya abotre
okay
momfa video no enne training nto so
okay
hit boy juma gidigidi
okay
o eg de make out here say and the sales so say adwuma ne ko
adwuma me
say hit o bomb foot kakra no be boss center back kakra no bomb foot kakra no be boss center back all the say yes for now legend bia etena enim de besi but say see a hit yempam no ne asan afre no legend yempam obi asan afre no de make out here say etimunya abotre kakra there ya
so contrary to reports and na
from no
yes
and we na de nya hit na namu yi mon fa hit into so yi
okay
mon fa hit into and now training
Martin so official communique my idea definitely you have to be at the training
yes
course.
Legend
Legend Fabio Grosso
munyi hit in free so na mo mame Abdul Kadri Abdul Legend
Fabio
young hold ball yen nyina ball so what you say yen ball free defense wo ni chichama anim hofo no on dey say yen side ball say bia o disturb opponent disturbances mon fananto so fantastic midfielder Legend o say akwa na o so no go ka say be ni hu video bi
o say odi da na da ni mo no
odi da la da ni mo no o say da la ni ko te tem Legend per the report me menya na wiya ya ni ayi no Legend woni Kotoko awie
e fa ni say
Abdul Kadri
Kadri
Abdul on say Burkina Faso international
okay
Legend on say friend and mami video na no ni name ato no no mami
obo say
o number 6 typical
on not one
holding
okay
fat mo fa Kadri into so mami
na no name ato we
oni
ada wo say ho de
there be when you Kadri ni
okay
unso mo ye 2
okay
ba ko de mayele won ye center back
okay
de make want ya say ana ba ko ye holding won e Kadri no
okay
Legend
e say ho na ti we ho na ni name ato we
ye mayele
ni name ato we yati
Legend
Fabio
eti number 6 no asat seme mi ba studio ha yi no na aka pipa works nkitinkiti bi so mu ye free o
okay
so Legend wo de wa ye bi da ebi wo kure so ba no aga Johnson na beji number bi menkan ko bebrebe se ho na ya na nya ho na first no omko ayi ko guni a distribute the other players nya za
o de to asem so
ACCESSS omu process bibia ma na bibia e fine Legend eti ebia tieniye ebi obeye first player Kotoko be announce ebia
okay
so dem ka dem Kotoko ni na wi
Kadri
Kotoko ni na wi
okay
or your midfielder so guys mo be kana sem
also a DM
yes DM
correct
proper DM
eti omo na omo ye echedogli echedogli
anyway Legend we na no se no musia kuru sia ayi na ni ho ana kuru bete ya be ga dia
Kotoko nya echedogli so kasa na say
da nyesa na go se kuru sia
eti we ye have seen echedogli
men kasa so omo ye hu
okay
that's a different environment but the way na da koja atena no be body ankofo nyina yi
Mate
they make out here
Mate Fabio
the way na da koja atena no de be maye dia ankofo nyina yi
Mate
Legend
okay
Legend
Fabio Grosso
and I present to you the new forward who will carry Kotoko next season on his shoulders.
Fabio Grosso
I present to you the new forward who will carry Kotoko on his shoulders next season. Isaac Opoku Agyemang. Okay, Isaac Opoku Agyemang. Fanetoso.
As good.
When Isaac Opoku Agyemang.
No, as good.
As good. Isaac Opoku Agyemang.
Oh, Fabio Grosso, I'm a kind of someone. They are kind of because of a different planet.
Let there be our not it. Oh, not it. Jaja. Oh, not it. Now, some himself was good on your bad player. Zonk. Tall. Where does it? Saudi height maker were tallest. Isaac Opoku Agyemang.
97.9.
Legend. Who say think like when the videos. This player is so good, but still I'm person who no. It's an answer for Kojati.
Okay.
And I think like video no need to be na Kojati na. Pepe.
Fabio Grosso.
Think when the videos bear 5. Ni pe na quarantine class say won hu say won be 9 and 10. Unu say eno na abofo wuram na hu say. Don't get confused. Just look at me. Me no na ye aduma no. This also as what you say. Huh? Me no na ye me review bibi atira wo.
Wo the committee.
Na think a video so nye no. Wa ahwe. Agent bi na di videos no ma tinkla. What you say? No videos na timi no fa no asa ko ba we. Ani of agent ne say. Ohia opoku adwuma enne wada kojati. Na unim sa nothing can so obabanti no said that you be free mu ho no.
As you go Opoku Agyemang, I know him very well.
Yes. So unim sa onye bad. We say okasi so.
Asante Gold. Okay, Mati.
And say legend, the control bi wo. I ready to go. Hi. Now on height no. Na unim what we button. It be born 9. It is a think a confused one. See no over more 10 over more 9.
Fabio Grosso.
Yes. Over more 10 over more 9.
Why so you?
I
count 2 minutes.
I know na be we no nya botre legend. O say ajo them.
Me dey say minimize go.
Say we so nya bad. Di Opoku Agyemang awurade nyankopɔ. One wo ye typical buakwa boy. Obi owo buakwa bi ani makra no. Oh yes, say no boys go kwa no young.
Fabio, my amount for lower expectations.
Legend.
The way I wo ye no. My amount for lower expectations kakra. Why? Utu that was so.
Legend.
Kofi Japan.
Me ma wa die bi wa ha. Na ade na me de ma on. Se nie pa. Me ye set bi amon. And na bofo ko fa selection bi aba. E 2.
Okay.
Selection you 2.
Okay.
Eti hwaniye.
Min tie de me bisa me hwe.
Tie niye. Na what do wani afam.
Mate.
Na bibia fine. Legend. And no more where you inside match. Kotoko ne ho kotoko na e dey. A boy.
Okay.
Because coach di kaka trom say nyame adma Monday. Ombobo match.
Okay.
Tie ne you bia konsun sisi ba bia na okwa okogina. Legend what you say?
Okay.
2-1. Legend. Where team ba kunie tie nie team we mpesa wo hwani ye ma me pa. Danlad Ibrahim.
Tipo what our lesson o tie squad no.
O de tie.
Danlad Ibrahim.
Ibrahim Danlad impose. Emmanuel Kote number 2.
Okay.
Number 3 Patrick Kasiedu.
Okay.
Number 4 Mayele.
Foreign player.
Yes.
Okay.
5 Joseph Paul Amwa.
Aye. Okay.
Legend.
Fabio.
Number 6 the sensational midfielder.
Already.
Proper number 6 in Goro Kante type of number 6. What do you say? One more number 6 Abdul Kadri. Let you watch it. In front of Abdul Kadri, triangular form. What you say? It's Abdul Kadri name Kama. He be Joe Walid Fuseri Lema.
Okay.
So, yes. Legend.
Fabio.
Oko Nifa Fasua Ubenya Lami Yama Bismarckofori, the dribbling magician. Sorry, Legend.
Fabio.
Now when you Inusa Adams,
okay,
on the left. Now the man are only the team lawyer Morphine Donzo.
Okay.
Legend, what who said he?
Good.
Second set in the Aziz Haruna dying.
Okay.
97.9.
Oba Ubenya Abu Adams.
Okay.
You team player. Legend, what you say? No. Ejina hosa. Zakaria Fuseni Hamzata.
4-5. Okay.
Sati no. Prince Babisem.
Heat.
Emmanuel Entry.
Okay. Butterfly.
Dogo Yakubu.
Okay.
Philip Amo. Johnson Osuopon.
Okay.
Isaac Minta.
Okay.
And a tray. Isaac Opoku Agyemang ebeyi minta
okay
afi wo hu set na am de ama no baby na dan lad da no
okay
omo say 2
okay
ama baby na Aziz da no
ese 1 me da say
good
koyo
Lilian
koyo
na me hate team B no
na one man mo say goals no
ogo ana wana say goals
uko team A na we fan say the cowboy na team A dem fan say ye make out here Donzo to atena
okay
Morafin Donzo
okay
ana defender no Mayele no ono so beto atena
ona ye 2
ana aha no team B no Philip Amo
okay
eto atena
kojo oso we team B na ye dey
say team B no na obobo na me nitia
okay
na da obesan sisu bi ha
usa be team B ni
team B no
na team A na ye dey
usa me na me be kama sana
okay so sama team B no Aziz Adari
Zakaria Fuseni Hamzata Musa Saka Dauda
Saka
Abu Adams Prince Badu Emmanuel Entry Dogo Yakubu Philip Amo Johnson Osuopon Isaac Minta yes
NHA Opoku Agyemang be yi Minta okay Mate
Johnson Usu any Dogomo one side Lilian, I'm in chair ABC. I'm in chair be up a Kotoko bia, and I'm in chair be a tissue ni bia. The entire chair be up a Kotoko and say Kotoko Asana be bacantia. Na minim players are eba. Listen, Asam no minim players eba.